girl, blacked out, whack deal, backed out. This is real, back now, whole meal, snacked out, high heel, flat out. Psych, I'm kidding, I ain't a kitten, I'm a cat, he's smitten. Told me, don't worry about, already taller than everybody. Ain't got curve, he curve out. New shoes, beautiful feet, clean heart, white teeth. Old school, new school, point is, you schooled. Listen to me, get set free, be all you could be. This the new army, R&B, hip hop, gospel, apostle, apocalypse. Watching this, roll the rain, Doc Jane, music, insane. Both committed, hands tied. All you see is a landslide. Real life, show enough. Yes, and say, show enough. Plenty of dough rolled up, plenty of dough rolled up. Don't you know who showed up? No eagles, couple of ducks. Told this to shut up, then turn this to up.
Since that skinny row house in Baltimore, been standing on that heat. No business of mine and no fault of yours, but you sure can't do it like me. From the southern land to the desert land, now I'm back about that beat. I can rap about you, clap about my paper out. This my paper out. I hope you like when I throw this my paper out.
It's your favorite girl, Doc Jane. I'm just handling business. I was minding my business. Got a call from the business. They said people was Z's off them little songs you was making. So they asked me to please shorten the break I was taking. I rang up my partner. She go by Rosie Lorraine. Grab the host like a gardener. Now I be making it rain. I got something for bougie. We can drive by the hood. Beggar shouldn't be choosy, but the goods is all good. So you good choosing these trenches. Call for my fancy fedora. They say y'all had baby boots that feel so rapid fedora. I'm not trying to belittle you, I'm just bigging him up. I'm not trying to stick my chest out, he keep filling my cup. Double unto her double, my bad, I'm losing you now. You might be walking round in Louboutins, but I own the ground. Bottom line, you in the red, baby, turn in your keys. I can't be sleeping on my audience, I see men as trees.
Since that skinny row house in Baltimore, been standing on that heat. No goodness of mine and no fault of yours, but you sure can't do it like me. From the southern land to the desert land, now I'm back about